This is our new luxury leather cleaning brush that we're bringing out. It's a beautiful natural horsehair fibre. Beautiful brush. You can see it's quite a nice size as well for holding. We're just going to show you how fantastic our leather cleaners are and how they have that beautiful foam with that nice sort of aroma to them. So spray on like so and simply clean your leather to produce a beautiful foaming action to give deeper, better cleaning. And you can just carry on wiping that over the surface, and the foam will act as a fantastic cleaner to keep deep cleaning your leather items nicely and safely, because the foam is doing the work rather than the brush, because you're hardly using the brush over the surface. And as you can see, that just carries on going. That's why LRC1 is the world's preferred leather cleaner in the industry. leatherrepaircompany.com